Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to show you how to remedy a cabinet door that won't close all the way, or at the very least, make it a little better. I'll be using this Everbuilt magnetic catch with Shrike. I picked this up at Home Depot for 99 cents. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press the door to the cabinet, and I'm going to go right down to about the middle where it's tightest, and I'm just going to put a mark on the cabinet and the door, just like that. Okay, now I'm just going to transfer that mark to the inside of the cabinet. Alright, so now I'm going to hold the strike right to where I made the pencil mark. And I'm going to hold it there. And I'm just going to make 2 pencil marks so I know where to drill the holes. Now I'll just drill some holes. Okay, now we're going to screw in a latch here with the longest screws that come in the package. Okay, now the door overlaps the cabinet, so we have to account for that. So we're going to put our tape measure on the mark that we made and measure in to where the latch is, and that's going to be about 3/4 of an inch. So we'll transfer that mark to the inside of the door. Okay, now where I made the pencil mark on the door, which is right where my thumb is, I don't know if you can see that, but that's where the pencil mark is. I am going to measure 3/4 of an inch in from that pencil mark. All right, fussing with the camera over here. All right, so 3/4 of an inch in, and make a mark, which I already did. And now what I'm going to do is, before I drill any holes, I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to put the catch over the hole and just tape it to the cabinet door like that, and just make sure it catches, which it does. So now I know I'm safe to drill the holes. Okay, now I'm just attaching the plate to the door, and now we'll see if it works. Okay, now you can see the door stays closed. So it was a pretty easy fix to do. I would recommend you get a better magnetic catch than I did, but for 99 cents, this did the trick. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. More stuff to come. I'll catch you next time.